YouTube. Today, we're going to be showing you how to be a pretty good YouTuber with some intros and 2 screen recorders that I use. On the Filmora, you have to buy the full version, so a Filmora thing won't... Yeah, I'll get onto that. So first, you go to Panzoid, and this is with outros and intros. If you like one, you click on it and stuff. And when you click on it, after you click on it, it'll go like this. Look, I'm just going to click on random. Like, look, it'll go like this. And then there's this, and it has like a text where you can put your name. I can like show you my intro and the Filmora thing. And then you can search up outros, and after that, you can hit download, and it'll download it. And this will be in the description, and the 2 screen recorders will be in the description. Then you got Screencast-O-Matic. You want to log in, and then this will show up or pop up, whatever you want to say. And then you hit start recorder, and this is what I'm recording on right now. You can open up the video editor, and then if you have the regular one right now, there's only certain features you can do in editing, and you can have your if you want your screen audio, you're gonna need like an upgrade. I upgraded mine so I can have audio, but I put music on usually, and I don't use it. But then there's certain edits you can do and all that. And then you got the Filmora thing. Like I said, when you record it, there's gonna be a Filmora thing in the way. Let's say it's created it by it. The only thing you can get it's a watermark. You have to buy the full version or one with no watermark. So, yeah. And I can show you my intro for a minute. And I'll show you what it'll look like. It won't look like it for now, but when you upload it, if I go to new project, you go here, there's all my files I have, downloads, boom, boom, forget about that. Gotta wait, oh, what the frick? Shoot, I freaking hit X on accident. I was waiting for it. Like, look, these are one of the I uploaded ones. Go to files. I'll show you how to do this. I'll show you how to do all this. Don't show this, but yes. And look, you put this here. Don't change. It'll play this for a minute, your intro. Party line. Party line. And then you can add this. And after that, you can add like, I don't know, you can add your video or something you want. And after that I don't have one right now, but if you go to your screen record and you can open up your editor, you can download it to your folder. And after you do that, when it downloads, you can do this. Of course, when you go here, you'll hit export, create video. You'll go to this. Or not. You can create an account. Of course, that's the watermark. Every update. This is the cheapest one. for 40 bucks. You have all features, free tech support, no watermark that's the thing in the way, and free updates. This is all features, free tech, no watermark, and free updates. This is unlimited. This is a year. All features, free tech, no watermark, update, unlimited use of 1,000 plus videos, effects in effects store, new effects every month. But you can have Creative Account for free, $0. All features, free tech support, but you have the watermark and no free updates. So after you hit that, you'll fill out your YouTuber name. Here, I'll try to find one real quick. I'll try to find like a video I have. Where is it? I was in game with Andy, I guess you could say. Put that there. And then if you go all the way back there, add, and then I'll put like, I don't know what my outro, but this is what it'll look like. You play it, it starts. And then it goes to the video. You guys can hear it, but it's playing music. This is actually on YouTube, and I also posted this intro. It's in my YouTube, so you guys can go to this. So, yeah, and I'll show you. Oh, it's already open. Frick that, no. Look. See, it's already open. I can't show you that. So, paused. So, after that, you can, when you're done with the recording on Screen-O-Matic, hit done, and then there's like a couple features you can do. You hit more if it doesn't show a folder, and you can download it to your folder. You name it something in that, and yeah, I'll show you. And after that, I'm gonna show you how to. I'm just gonna download a random intro. Let's say you like this one. Let's say you guys like this intro, I guess. I guess turned into like an intro to make an intro thing. I don't know. You can hear the music. Let's say, oh my gosh, it's freezing. Say, oh. Then you go to here. And then you do this. You know, text and everything. And you go here. I'm not going to do that because I just don't want. You start video under. And you'll start, do that. And then down to your folder. And all that. So, I already have my intro. So, that's how to be a pretty decent YouTuber. I don't know how. I don't have many subscribers, but I hope this will help you with your YouTube channel. And yeah, hope this will help you with your YouTube channel and everything. The reason I'm not using my intro for this video, an outro, is a watermark. I use it and then a watermark was there. So I'm saving up my money. Save it for 40 bucks. Get that watermark, and I'm gonna start using for more every single video. I'm gonna start uploading more. Sorry I haven't been on that. I probably upload every 2 days sometimes. I actually went to the rec center with my friend, and then I think I played too much. I was there for 3 hours just playing basketball with my friend, one-on-one team. Played some full court games with adults, and I'm only 10. Don't judge me. I'm only 10 years old. So, well, actually, I'm not 10. I'm 13. I'm not 10. So I played like with 17-year-olds. There's this guy threw an alley-oop to him. He dunked it. He was sick. Also, friend me. Don't forget that. Friend me on this. Friend me. So the games I play. Not those. Not those. The frick? I never played that. I played that. Never played that Grandma Hobby. Never played that no scope sniping. Never played Granny. I play it, but no, I've never played that. I never played Crushed by a Speeding Wall. I don't remember playing that. Unless I was on my account. I don't know. I've never played that. Okay. Hope this helped you. Here's my Discord. Right there. Here's my Discord. Here, I can go to closer. Here's mine. And yeah, hope this helps you at YouTube. Peace.